Oh, you're gorgeous. You are gorgeous.
Matches your pretty little outfit. You almost got it.
And your sunglasses.
Good job.
Woo.
Then it goes dip, dip, dip. Do you want to try blowing the bubbles? Blow. Go.
Where did they go? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, there they are.
Right there.
There they
Grandma?
are.
Grandma, silly. They're in my hand, huh?
Yeah.
They're in my hand. It looks like the slip and slide area is kind of cleaning up now.
From this angle, yeah.
After the
was
storms
thinking-
last night.
Brennan looks like a movie star trying to be
Our
in
movie
disguise.
star, huh?
With a hat.
Do
and
you hear the
sunglasses.
leaves rustling in the wind?